Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today we got a nice live watch face for you all to check out. Now this one reminds me of the Galaxy Watch Active. I love live wallpapers. This one is beautiful. Now the sun, the sky is going to show up and it's going to change colors according to what time of day it is. It looks really nice, and once you get to nightfall, you're going to have a blue background, and it's going to also show the stars and the moon. So I thought this was a good look for a casual dress down watch face. And again, it's free for the taking. I don't know how long it's going to be free, so make sure you download this one ASAP. Now also, if I tap on the time, it is inactive. I thought that was pretty cool. I can set an alarm, and if I tap on the date, I can go into my calendar, set an event if I so choose. I thought it was a good look for a dress down watch face, but again, at the end of the day, it is all about you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face, and let me know if you're going to download it or not. And with that, hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel so you can be notified of more videos like this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.